Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Got a little update, figured I'd announce. I'm moving. I'm leaving the place, getting out of here, and we're going to a new location. Just me anyway. So what's going on? The woodyard is moving. I'm not actually moving. I like my house, I like my home, I like my place, but the woodyard part of it's going to be moved to a new location. I'm down to, I got 2 pieces of equipment left, so I'll give you a quick show here. Hopefully wind ain't too bad. But, hang on. Alright, this is left, and that's left, and that is it. So, drove my truck up here, but anyway, you can see it's all cleaned up. I got just a little bit of stuff to gather up and a couple brush piles to burn. A little cleanup, but it's all gone. So deal is buddy's got a bunch of timber and acreage and he's wanting to get it fenced, and he just told me to come get it, come cut the wood. I could have all I want for hauling it off, and he'll have, you know, all the wood he can burn. He won't have to cut or split or do nothing because there's plenty of scraps to burn. So it's a good deal for both of us. And I'm not short on timber by no means. I got a few hundred acres I can cut. But where I'm at, you guys never see it, there's a heck of a hill to get out of here and a rough road. His place is on the all flat. It's easy to get in and out of it, and it's right by the highway. So I don't have very far to get, and I'm already on top of the big hill. And right there at a paved road, so that's worth a lot to me. So the only thing I'm really gaining is convenience, which sometimes is a lot. You know, it's a nightmare to get in and out of this place. The road's horrible. Long private drive, it's almost 2 miles. It's on the very back of the place, and it's just a pain. And a steep hill on the way out, loaded, that's fun. So, one last look, I'll give you a quickie. It's the old woodyard, and we can come back and visit this. This is just one small place on the property. But, anyways, so, let's see what the new woodyard looks like. And here it is. Alright, here's new woodyard. Kind of got the setup going. Compared to Buddy's place, we got all that to cut. Ton of timber compared to his place. There's a bunch on this side that goes back. There's a lot of timber. But had to get new tires on Greasy. Well, Greasy's getting pretty fancy. I had a blowout on the way up here. Luckily, Buddy of mine had them. We did some trading, so I got them off of him and managed to move it around. So kind of nice, made it sit up a little higher too, but then move my key switch though. Oh, it's tight. I'm just gonna stuck it up there. But anyways, I said a lot of timber. So got my equipment, excavator over there, truck, everything's set up, but it's a going. So anyways, figure I'd give you an update when everybody's gonna be, boy, woodyard looks different. Now you know why I moved. So anyway, so stay tuned. There will be more madness of the woodyard, and I've got some equipment I'm getting ready to build. I'm getting ready to build a log arch to use up here too, so stay tuned for that. And this, that, and the other. We got all kinds of stuff going on. I can put another splitter together and another elevator too, so I've got all the parts and everything, so I'm gonna get started on that when I'm not doing this. So videos coming on that. So I guess that's it for the video. So as always, like and subscribe, leave me your thoughts below, and I guess I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.